हालत कर दी, 3 बच्चे हो गए, तीसरा तो कलाकार हो गया। थैंक यू सो मच।
बिना पिए ही नशा चढ़ रहा है कि नहीं? Are you really liking this? I can't hear anything. Come on. हवा भरता हूं अपनी। मयूर कुछ याद आ रहा है? Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. I want more of this. Very good. Let's go on for a fantastic, wonderful, energy-filled performance. We call it a fusion dance based on the Vande Mataram. Some of you are not doing it, so to compensate. Thoda, जोर से, come on. Good, good, good. Don't be कंजूस ताली बजाते समय. There was one man who was so कंजूस, वो अपने हनीमून पे अकेला गया. ताली बजाते समय कभी कंजूसी मत करो. Okay. We are about to take a break, but before that, I would like to invite on stage one person who has been an integral part of PODS, that is the Parents of Down Syndrome. All the time with us, you have seen him several times on television. We have seen him evolve as an actor. Very recently, he has released his own film as a director, and he just told me that he is on the way of directing the next one, and I'm sure many more are to come. But today, we are not calling him here as a director or an actor, but a person who has helped us provide inspiration to our children. So put your hands together for our very own dear, screamingly handsome person, Kabir Sadanan. Yep. Thank you, Kabir. You would like to hear something from me? I will.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi. Hi, Amol. This is the most embarrassing thing. I've been trying to hide behind stage, and he's been pushing me onto stage and saying, why don't you go sit in front? I said, no, I'm so used to being behind with Gaurav backstage that it's very difficult to me up in front because I get very nervous when he's performing. There are obvious reasons to it. Hi, how are you? Seeing all after a very long time. Sorry, I will take a little minute here and there to say hi to my old friends over here. I'm meeting them after a while. Okay. The most important thing I think that we all have done by coming here is to tell Gaurav how much we love him. And if you give him a big round of applause now.
Yep.
We will also be acknowledging what his whole family is doing. His sisters, his family who is flown from all over the world, I would say. I just been told his sisters coming from Dubai.
True.
Family from Delhi, his mother and father. You must applaud his parents. They've been... They've been extremely supportive. And it's not only with Gaurav, it's with every kid from Pods. That they are so encouraging with their words, they're so kind with their help that they extend, that it just gives you hope and belief that there is good left in this world around us. And if we can pick up just a little bit from these kids, we will be able to do a lot of good. So I'm not going to take very much more of your time, and I'll run backstage again, and you guys enjoy yourself. I think it's absolutely fantastic what the whole family, Sejwal family, and I didn't know how talented the father also is. So while he surprises me, Gaurav surprises me there, now the father surprises me. So I'll run behind, and fantastic, and thank you very much for coming, and thank you very much for being with my friend Gaurav. Thank you.
Thanks, Gobi. Thanks a lot, Kabir, for those wonderful, kind words for all of us. Today people are praising me. That's good. Okay. Now we are about to take a break, exactly for 15 minutes, 900 seconds, when we will be back here for some more great things to come. Before we take a break, there's something called a Gupshup call, which my trainer taught me 20 years ago, which I'm going to give. Because he told me, however good you are, however good the show is, there are some people who still sleep. So before we take a break, it's our moral responsibility to wake them up. So what I'm going to do is, very loudly I'm going to shout and ask you, are you all ready? If you're all ready, you're going to shout back and say, yes! Loudly, yeah? When I ask. Then I'm going to ask you, what time is it? And I'm going to shout back and say, Gupshup! जोर से, हाँ? 2 बार चिल्लाने से ऐसे होगा, बगल वाला सो रहा होगा, बोलेगा, क्यों सता रहा है यार? Then you tell him, उठ जा, break का time हो गया. He'll say, thank you. That's the whole concept behind this. Are you all ready? Yeah. Louder, come on. Oh, some of you are just doing lip movement. Are you all ready? What time is it? See you in 15 minutes sharp. Take care.
जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे हो अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे कट जाएगी आपका क्या होगा जनाबे आली आपका क्या होगा अपने आगे ना पीछे ना कोई ऊपर नीचे रोने वाला ना कोई रोने वाली जनाबे आली आपका क्या होगा
ready for this one? We're about to go crazy with this, yo. RDB, Nidhi Cole, big up to my boy Buffy. We're about to mix it up like this. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, come on.